In a previous video, I talked about Cassava Network. I talked about what it is and how you can sign up for it. I also talked about how you can earn CSV tokens by accumulating CB tokens, okay, when you carry out tasks on Cassava Network. Now, these tasks are actually posted by communities. These communities are created on Cassava Network, and the communities create those tasks that tells you to like it, to it, follow an account, etc. And all of these tasks helps members of the Cassava Network community to earn CB tokens. This video is going to show you how you can create your community and how you can create tasks on Cassava Network. To do that, you tap on your profile icon on your desktop computer. You can't do this on the mobile device. And then you're going to be on the Manage Community section. You're going to tap on Create New Community. Now, note anybody can create a community. You're going to upload a logo. So if you have a Web3 project or you're building your personal brand or whatsoever, create a logo and upload it over here. Enter the community name and enter a name over here. Say, for example, V Morgan. And then you can continue by verifying the code, getting a verification code, and then providing your social media URLs as shown over here. Twitter is compulsory, Discord and the other ones are optional. Enter a description, a community description, and then upload a banner and then submit. By submitting, your community is going to have a pending status, which shows that it's not yet approved. But within 24 hours, your community is going to be approved, and then you can start creating tasks on the Cassava Network. This is the Cryps community on the Cassava Network, and as you can see, two tasks has been created, and there has been 1,000 follows so far, as well as 586 task participants. These are the two tasks created over here. I'm going to show you how you can create these tasks. Now, to create a task on Cassava Network, what you need to do is to tap on your profile, and your profile is actually called My Portal, okay? So when you tap on, now this is the Cryps community that is approved over here. You want to tap on Edit Task. As you can see, I am assigned a total of 720,000 CB tokens, which is going to be distributed to the people that participate on the task. As you can see over here, this task gives a reward of 600 CB tokens, and this task gives a total of 400 CB tokens. Now you can tap on Create New Task. We recently put out a tweet on the Cryps community, which I want to use Cassava Network to drive engagement to. Now, what I want to do is I want to go over to create task, and then I want to create the task name, which is going to be learn about the Cryps. Okay. Now, I'm going to put the start time for immediately, and I'm going to put the end time for, I'm going to give this a month. So I'm going to go over to September of next month, and I'm going to put it on the 11th. Okay. And I'm going to select that. Now, I'm going to provide a description over here. I've provided a task description over here, and it's basically a tweet for people to go check out. I've uploaded an image for the task, which is actually the oath. It's just an image of the oath that users are going to earn. I'm going to tap on save, and then I'm going to go over to the next part, which is the tax items. Now for the tax items, I'm going to select a number of tags. Number one is for people to follow on Twitter. Now they are following the Cryps community on Twitter. So what I need to do is to get the Cryps community Twitter URL, which is this, as you can see. And I'm going to paste that over here. I'm going to tap on add. And as you can see, it's added over here. The next task is to like and retweet. So I'm going to tap on like. I'm going to copy the tweet URL, and I'm going to come over here and paste it. I'm also going to ask people to quote this tweet. I'm going to enter a few comments here. I entered a little bit of comment and then the tweet URL, and I also told them to tag 3 friends, and I'm going to add that. You see, so you can do whatsoever you want to do. The more the tags you add, the more the reward the people are going to gain as soon as they do all those tags. Okay. So you have several tags. This is all the tags. You have tags for Twitter, you have tags for Discord, you have tags for Telegram and stuff, which is just to join and stuff. So once that is set, you can tap on save. Who are the target audience? The target audience are all users. So you tap on save, and then the reward type is oath. Okay, automatically oath, and network is Polygon. The trait is going to be so I've just entered the trait value over here, and then you can add more traits if you want to the oath, and then you can now upload the oath image. This is the oath image uploaded, and I think it's actually very fine, and people would love it. So the reward methods are two types: first come, first serve, or lucky draw. For the first come, first serve, as long as users participate and carry out the task, they are going to receive their reward immediately. But for the lucky draw, when the tax time expires, the users who can get the reward can be drawn by you. Rewards are valid within 7 days after the tax ends, so you have to pick the winners yourself. Now, I want to say, how many users do I want to participate? How many winners do I want for this? And I can say I want 1,000. Okay, I can say I want 1,000 winners. So once that is done, I'm going to tap on publish. As you can see, this is going to cost me 300,000 CB coins. So I'm going to tap on publish. And as you can see, my tax is already live on Cassava Network. Now, a ton of people are going to carry out this task. This is going to drive engagement to the tweet, and then it's going to drive engagement to the Cryps Twitter account. To find the task, go over to reward section, and then now you can see the Cryps task over here. By tapping that, you can now copy the URL, and then you can decide to share this with your community members so they can participate and earn the reward before other members of the Cassava Network performs the task. I hope you gained a thing or two from this video. So if you did, please do well to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it to somebody that it can help.